Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee and Crafting. If you are new to my channel, my name is Lori and welcome. And if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I have 3 really easy, quick, and affordable fall DIYs reusing some items I have on hand and Dollar Tree items, turning them into adorable and cute decor for fall. So if you like home decor, DIYs, and projects, then I hope you will consider to subscribe to my channel and join my DIY family. So grab a coffee or your favorite drink and let's start. For this DIY, I have a wood board from the Dollar Tree. I brushed antique wax from Waverly on the edges of the frame and wiped off the excess to give it a darker look.
I said, tell me your story. He took out a notepad and wrote some.
I have a pumpkin mold from IOD. I rolled IOD air clay in my hands to warm the clay, and this helps to make it easier to work with. I brushed baking soda in the mold, and this also makes it easier to remove the clay from the mold. I placed the clay inside the mold and pushed the clay to the edges using my fingers, removing any excess.
And wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not.
I turned the mold over and gently removed the pumpkin.
Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find.
I painted the pumpkin with Waverly's pumpkin chalk paint and the stem with Waverly's hazelnut chalk paint.
What you've got. I met a young man searching for glory. I took out a notepad and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When your time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen.
When the pumpkin dried, I used wood glue from the Dollar Tree on the wood board and placed the pumpkin on top.
One way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got. When you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind.
I brushed antique wax from Waverly on the pumpkin and the stem, wiping off the excess.
Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got.
I have a welcome fall mini sign from the Dollar Tree that was from a different DIY. I glued the sign in the middle of the pumpkin and repainted the sign with the pumpkin chalk paint. I brushed antique wax on the beads, wiping off the excess to give them a rustic look. And I think this pumpkin sign looks adorable. It was easy to make and will look sweet on a door or wall. And this is how the pumpkin sign turned out. For this DIY, I have 2 mason jars that were originally painted white for a different DIY. I brushed antique wax from Waverly on the jars and wiped off the excess to give them a rustic look.
As I'm staying close to the mirror, a lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember. Place a hand upon my heart as her, she was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes everything.
I have jute ribbon that I got from Temu. This ribbon is beautiful and very affordable. I cut a piece and glued it along the rim on the jars.
Shoulder, a lock of gold, a secret smile. I will tell you when you get older. I place a hand upon.
I went into my flower stash and found green and orange flowers for fall. I think I bought these ones from Walmart. I placed them inside the jars and that was it.
And I will hold changing time. Love changes every heart.
I have 2 beautiful floral fall vases for my kitchen. And again, this was an easy, simple DIY that turned out beautiful and elegant. Let me know in the comments what you think of these vases.
And any heart can change you. You call, I fall. There's a legacy between us. We grow, we go, but in the middle, time changes everything.
For the last easy and simple DIY, I have a piece of scrap wood that I had painted with the DIY Salty Kiss paint, which was for a different DIY that I didn't finish. So I'm going to reuse it and give it a coat of the antique wax from Waverly and wipe off the excess. This will give it a rustic, darker tone on the green.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is.
I have a Happy Fall mini sign from Hobby Lobby that was already painted orange. I glued it at the top of the wood piece.
Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but
I glued a sunflower that I had in my stash in the bottom corner.
it's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in.
I glued 2 tumbling blocks together and glued them on top of the wood piece to make it look like a pumpkin.
You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. 'Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know.
And to finish this simple, cute DIY pumpkin, I wrapped twine from the Dollar Tree around the stem, making a simple bow by wrapping the twine around my fingers, tying a piece in the center, and cutting the ends. I glued it on the stem.
You know games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before.
This is one of my favorite pumpkins that I've made. Let me know in the comments which DIY was your favorite. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. So until then, have a beautiful day, and bye for now.
The sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you do.